Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauded the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board for introducing the implementation of the unified tariff to achieve one nation, one grid of tariff model. Minister of State for External Affairs V. Muralidharan has observed that India G20 presidency, based on the theme of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, has found resonance across the world with its all-encompassing measure of universal brotherhood. The Ministry of Defense yesterday signed contracts for the procurement of an improved Akash weapon system and 12 weapon locating radars Blue LR Swatish for the Indian Army at an overall cost of over 9,100 crore rupees. In a big relief to foreign workers in the US technology sector, a judge ruled that spouse of H-1B visa holders can now work in the United States. In cricket, the 16th edition of the Indian Premier League is all set to be played between Gujarat Titans and Chennai Super Kings and Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, Gujarat today at 7:30 p.m.